So I've been wanting to show the projects that I've done in Blender. Excuse me. And the stuff that I've been working on and stuff. So I know some people have probably seen these on my DeviantArt, some resources for my game and random encephalon stuff. So this is an alternate universe version of Evelyn. And then this is an alternate universe version of Reitanna. If you read the dream I had on DeviantArt, you'll understand why they are so evil looking. And this is the Bad Memories bear. And I'll show what that's part in a minute. Normal, texture. And then there's Evelyn and Reitanna, alternate universe versions, being the best of bitches. I think it would just be easier if I did this. I've got Charmer and a better picture here for my SCP mod that I have not been working on because, like I said, the person who was helping me wasn't able to help me anymore. I haven't checked the forum for a long time to try and contact them, but Yeparuski. And then this is a collector, which I made with sim stuff, and the hair could be smoother if I decided to make it smoother, but that's a general idea of what they look like. This is Edgar. I believe I made him Edgar the you messed up on your drawing fuzz. I believe I made him out of a grease pencil, and to the life of me, I do not remember how to convert grease pencil into a mesh, but I did it here, so and then this is regular Evelyn. Oh, she's just so cute. She is so cute. I love her. I love you. I love you, Evelyn. I love you. Love you so much. You're so. I want your little face. She's so cute. This is one part of a picture, where she's using the nightmare glasses and seeing. Where is it? Where are you? This. So this is the nightmare creature. Now you probably don't notice the mistake in the render. If you do, don't point it out. I'm not going to point it out. Just leave it. And it holds the Bad Memories bear. This entire creature represents a bunch of stuff. Basically, is your own Ray's own personal nightmare creature. So, boop. Here's a better look at it. I used a lot of low poly stuff, so obviously the spine is not realistic. The tail is a cigarette. And I'm pretty sure I can find the entry I have. And it's crying. Anyway, we're going back up here. I know the lighting isn't great on this. It's a couple, but it's my 3D modeled version. And then here's a notebook that is a game resource, and I'm working on Quiggle. Not currently, but I mean, I've been working on Quiggle. This is Revenge, the best that I could do for Revenge. I honestly want a better bubble material, which I'm sure I could find on Blend Swap. Oh, I'm working on a sea lion. It's not very good. So this is a sea lion. This is a Smilesville sea lion. Basically, I took a lion and a dolphin and I fused them together, which was not as easy as I thought it would be, because the lion was more high poly. But I managed to unwrap it pretty well. I just need to make textures for it. Boop. Oh, here's system finished. And it looks almost exactly like it did in Dream. The only difference is that the gears were poking out at the sides, but I like the gears so much better just on the inside. But the bird head looks exactly like it did. And it's been so long since I've done materials in cycles that I had to relearn how to do materials, and it was not easy, and it was very frustrating. So, yay. This is the transfer powder that brings you to encephalon. This is the innards that I'm most likely going to use for a texture if I convert system for The Sims 4. I noticed that I don't have an actual lot of the pictures in here. Like, why do I have the couple, but I don't have the zip or the barlin? That's okay, because I go here. I don't think there's anything not safe for work in here. So, here's what a 9-volt battery looks like in encephalon. And the I don't know why I made the brand Sneezer. I have a description on it on my DeviantArt somewhere, but, since my DeviantArt is still, banned, you actually have to literally search for my things. I made these more low poly for the game, so you can see that they're more low poly. But others are proud of it. I made it from scratch, so yeah. I had to keep looking at an actual battery, though. So here's the 9-volt. Here's a rusty 9-volt. And here's an 18-volt. And then... Can somebody... This is my Avalor. Can somebody tell me which bird has this head so that I can look for it and make a 3D version? That would be great. I don't remember what this head of a bird is. Here's the 3D Barlin. You can't really... I mean, you can kind of tell the difference between the 3D and the 2D. If there is something not safe for work, I'm sure I can just easily block it. This is Chocolate Contentment. It's the 3D version of it. I already showed you the couple. But, I don't know. I didn't get the lighting right, so there was like these 4 little dots, and I don't know. I'm not happy with them. I made this Senpai's wallet, and there's a lot wrong with this picture. I already know that. In my opinion, because the wallet isn't something I made from scratch. I believe I got it from Blend Swap. I got it from somewhere. It's free, so it's free to use. It's the money. And I feel like it doesn't look like metal, and I also probably should have split the edges so that they didn't look so smooth. I don't know. Maybe they look fine. I'm my own worst critic. Oh, yes! My sugar dragon. I am so proud of my sugar dragon. I am so proud of my sugar dragon! It is made out of several parts of other meshes, but it is heavily, heavily modified. You wouldn't believe that this was originally a My Little Pony pony. But I am so happy with it. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then it glows. I was so happy that I could do that. And then this is a zip, which has the same lighting problem. Oh, I know where I can find them. This is just a binder. I didn't make it. I just converted it from The Sims 4 and stuck it in the game. It's just a resource. These are the nightmare goggles. Don't ask where the battery goes, because that is not something that I thought about when I put them together. Again, these are most likely from Blend Swap, but I retextured them. There has to be something I did differently with them, but I'm not sure if I remember. But yeah, I don't know where the battery goes, so... This is the Rage box. And I know I have all of these in the description somewhere, but Rage box, Rage box, Rage box, Rage box. It's a Rage box. This is the nav. It's a navigator. That's a picture of the high poly version, so that I could use the texture of the high poly version in the low poly version that goes in the game. And then we got Say, and then we got Anatir, and then we got Rena, and Rena again, and then Say. I was like, that does not look like Reitanna. That looks very unhealthy. So that's definitely Say. Say again. Manic, Rapper, Texture. So, and then... Oh, the games folder is not in the downloads folder for some reason. Let's go here. That's Rena coming on the screen of the computer. There's a lot of things that I haven't actually changed yet. Loading screens, though, will show. This is Nina. She's a Lotrid. She's the only one that managed to get caught. Here's Edgar again. There's Rena. There's Manic. And Anatir. And Revenge. And Charmer. And Goody Poosh. Black. Say. The Sugar Dragon. Reitanna. Etc. Yeah, there's some I didn't replace yet. I could have sworn I had... I had another render of regular Reitanna, but I guess not. Okay. So here is Extraordinary Girl so far, and there are a lot of things that I haven't done with her. I made some mistakes, especially adding the subdivide mod to like actually applying it, which makes it so that I can't really work with the face that much. I'll show you. I should show you in solid view. So if I take away the eyes, the eyelashes, you can see that there's some problems. That's gonna actually probably prevent me from making eyelids and being able to move the mouth and eyes with shape keys. If you look at it in object mode, it has these artifacts around it. So I tried adding a bevel, but I don't know how to smooth it after this, and it didn't actually really do anything anyway, so... But this is what she looks like so far in a render. Did I hit the lamp or something? I hit all the lamps. This is in cycles, so... and obviously I haven't put the green on her suit yet. But isn't she cute? Oh my god! I made her out of, on Sketchfab, I found an extremely low poly sort of chibi figure that I edited the proportions and put the subsurface, the subdivider thingy on. Her mouth is a little too dark, but that's because of the shading. And people liked the cartoon eyes better than the, and I shall show you. Wait, I forgot I'm in cycles right now. So, low, where's the high one? Okay, well, I guess I got rid of the high one, but whatever. Just, you believe me. You believe me, don't you? So, yeah, I'm actually really proud of it. I made the hair from scratch, which was very, very tedious. Especially the little backflip here and these little thingies. The pigtails and the bangs weren't so much difficult as they just were time consuming. But yeah, that's extraordinary, girl. And I know how shape keys work, so they will enable me to give her expressions and shape her mouth in different ways. But I fear that I have to probably redo the head. I'm not even intermediate level. I'm in between beginner and intermediate, so like I'm nowhere near expert or anything like that. Let's see. I've been working on some VR stuff, so I don't really know if I can show Lonnie. I know I can't show my first ever animation. I did my first ever animation, and it's actually pretty good for like a first ever animation. It's Lonnie, and he's riding a dildo, and I wasn't going to originally make him climax, but I made him climax, and it actually looks pretty good, but I can't show it. And I'm afraid to show Lonnie because I don't want to age restrict this. Because of his tattoos, even when he's clothed. So I'm gonna skip him. I don't think I ever showed you Claire. I attempted to make a Cyclops head for the V-Roid models, and it took me forever. It's not perfect. I want to hide all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how the shape keys work. So what does this do? This one makes her angry. Oh, she's angry. Isn't she so cute, though? This one makes her happy. This one makes her super happy. Oh my god, she's adorable. I'm just happy it works. Like, I wish I could put it into Vroid Studio and stuff. And no one makes her sad. It's really hard to do expressions with one eyebrow. Some people draw a Cyclops with 2 eyebrows, and I'm like, I just don't feel like that's right. Then this one makes her surprised or scared. That's just angry eyebrow. Moves the eyebrow up and down again, but further. Sad. Even more up. And that moves the eye. Shaping the eye was actually really difficult. That makes her blink. It looks like it has some glitching right here, but it's not actually glitching. That's how it looks like in the 3D viewport. What's the difference between this one and that one? Oh, did I have to keep both? Yeah, I did have to keep both left and right, even though she only has one, so. So basically what you do with shape keys is you have a basis, which is this, and then you go like this and you go into edit mode and you basically turn the end result of the shape key, you turn the basis to the end result of the shape key. So you have to actually, modify all of this stuff and move it where you want it to go. And that makes this. So then I'm guessing that these are both, yeah. I think that's the teeth, to make teeth sharp. If I can open her mouth, I can show it. I think that's another teeth. Let's find out. That does something with the teeth. I can't tell what it's doing. Did I make her teeth sharp? Or no, wait. Oh, okay. That makes the mouth neutral. Oh! Okay, let's see if I can find that teeth again. There's angry, close, fun, joy, natural, sorrow. Oh, so I didn't come up with, then what was the, never mind, I don't care. So that'll make, well, you can't see it with that, but I guess, come on, come down, jeez, I think something's wrong with my mouse. Arr. That's what it does with the fangs. For some reason, it's spelled fung in this. I think it's a translation error from when I, because, the stuff in Vroid is originally in Japanese. So that's Claire. And, she moves and stuff. The weights probably aren't the best. Do you do the same thing my boys have been doing? Yes, you do! So, I don't know why, and I can't seem to fix this, but without me even doing anything to the models, I get this deformation right here when I do this. And I know people don't, bend like that, but it still, it can cause problems like this. Even if I move her back a little bit, and it sucks. And I tried to weight the dress, but I used the wrong weight system. I should have used the one that has kind of a gap between the thigh and the calf, the lower leg, the upper leg, and the... You don't know what I'm talking about, doesn't matter. Yep. What have I actually worked on? I've been doing some stuff for Evelyn. Very, very slowly. Oh, Taffy. What happened to your face? Excuse me? You want to try again, Skippy? Hang on. Tavi, listen. Your face is right there. I don't exactly know why you, are having trouble with your face. So, face. There it is. Reload? Refresh? Do something? Womp? What is happening right now? Okay. This is here. This is here. Refresh. What is going on? Like, for seriously? There's no way that that should be a problem. It was working fine literally the other day. That is so bizarre. That's not how it works, bro. Huh. Okay, there's one thing I can do. You shouldn't have to do this. You're just being a dumbass. What? Excuse me? I literally checked on you a couple of days ago, and your face was fine. So anyway, this is Taffy in the outfit that I gave him in The Sims. And he's got a cute little butt, and he's got little skates, because he's a little athletic boy. And I mean, when I say boy, I mean he's a man. He's like, how old did I make you? They're all in their 20s. All of Hard Candy are in their 20s. But, you know, he's cute. He is so cute. Okay, let's try... I'm going to open the one with pom-poms. And because I renamed it, it's probably going to do the same thing. Let me try Control Z. Okay. I seriously don't understand what's going on. Face skin. Okay, so that worked. Christ on a bun. So I put him in a cheerleader outfit, and I give him little pom-poms. And I made the earrings and the cupcake clips out of textures that I found. I just kind of followed the picture, and then, yeah. So, isn't he cute? He got really sparkly eyes. They all have really sparkly eyes, but I was working on bubblegum, but he's proving to be kind of difficult. Here's what I was working on for the past couple of days. Well, I'm posing him right now, but can't see him properly. Oh, Lord. This is better. So, I made some different clothes for Harry. And this is eye candy Harry. So, this isn't, canon Harry Potter. God, putting in the weights was a nightmare, but I'm not very good at that anyway. Your hair is not showing up the way I had it. Why isn't it? It was. It was yesterday. It was showing up properly yesterday, because if I make it shadeless like the rest, then it does this, and I don't like that. Why are you deciding to be a dick? Like, you were working fine in the render yesterday. You looked really good, actually. Is it because I hid the lamp? Boop. It is because I hid the lamp. I always forget about that. So, and then I made his lenses not shadeless also, so they give a little tiny bit of a glare. And I also kind of made his eyes a little more sparkly than they were before. So, beep. And right now I'm just posing him for a little picture. Hide that lamp again. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Kiki Mimi. I turned one of Kiki Mimi's models into a ball jointed doll to put in The Sims. Let's see, what else have I done lately? I don't think I made anything in here, because I would have put it in Encephalon, I believe. Oh, let's go into here. Because I've got a bunch of things here. So this is my closest I could get to an actual sized Able Sister awning. And then this is my display window, which you cannot see right now. No, and it does not render properly. I believe the glass is a different mesh though. Boop. So I had to make a bunch of stuff. And it was difficult, especially trying to keep it low poly. You can tell that from decimating it there's some, problems with it, but it's supposed to be seen from further away. So I'm not done with the door. I don't know what I'm doing with the door. Did I finish the dresser? I did finish the dresser, but the speculars are giving me problems. The dresser? I have not finished the fabric box yet. I am still in the process of matching the fabric with the textures that are actually in... Is that supposed to be that way? Are actually in the game, so... It's difficult because it's hard to see which textures are in there. Hanging sign... Did I split? Did I split in the edges? I didn't, but I should because it looks too round in game. I hate splitting edges because it makes more vertices, but I don't know. Able Sisters. Jar buttons is a little challenging because in game it looks like there's white on them, and even if I zoom out it kind of looks like there's white on them, but there's not white on them, guys. I checked the UVs and everything. Jar of buttons, jar of button shadow. Then I'm making the pedestals. Well, I made the pedestals. So, pedestal medium, pedestal short, Able Sisters photos. So, I made the frames from scratch, and I also made all the poses to mimic the pictures that are in the actual photos in the Able Sisters shop. So, I had to make sims of the parents and them as children. For some reason, I almost gave Label light purple hair, and then I was like, what am I doing? She's dark purple. She's not light purple, so I had to take the pictures again. And obviously they're really low quality. I'm kind of afraid. Here, hang on. Okay, so I'll show the unedited version and the edited version. So this is their mother and their father. And then that's the sepia version. And then that's them with their house. And I tried so hard to get the right angle and everything, and it's not perfect at all. And then I zoomed out and did that, and I wasn't sure exactly what pose they were doing because they're little hedgehogs, so I kind of souped up the poses a little bit to make them more human. Did baby Mabel? Oh my gosh, she's so cute! And I made the facial markings for Mabel and Sable. And then that's the beach shot. And then like that. So, hang on. I almost forgot this one. And then that's the one where, again, I wasn't sure how they were posing, so I put them on a chair. But yeah, I went the extra mile, made all those poses, and put them in the frames. That's what you do, friends. That's what you do. And then this is the Able Sister sign. It's a roof object, so it doesn't stick to the wall. Like, it will snap to the wall, but if I move the building, it won't stick. And there's no way to make it, because guess what? The Sims doesn't have a roof object that snaps to walls. They have wall objects that snap to walls, but not roof objects that snap to walls. And I don't exactly remember why I didn't clone a wall sculpture. I think it's because it refused to snap to the roof part. And then I was working on the diner set. So this is the stool. It's the only one I have finished, and I made that from scratch too. So let's go find that diner set in a minute. So for those of you who don't play Animal Crossing New Horizons, this is the diner set. And I took multiple pictures of them for multiple angles because I'm using the actual textures. And I know the lighting makes a difference, but it's the best that I can do. So, that's a chair. That's a table. That's the bar. And this is the double seat. And there's me. This is the table, the bigger table. And then this is the sign. The clock. Oh, and that's one of my patterns. Well, you know what? Something weird is happening. Something weird is either happening with Blender or happening with my mouse. Which I've kind of been suspicious that my mouse has been... Well, it's very used, and it's very... See, I can click on certain things, but I can't zoom now. That makes me think that it's Blender because I'm supposed to be able... Because if I can click with this, then I should be able to move the cursor, right? And then when I go to open, I can't scrub the scroller thing. Seems like I can't select anything, but I can cancel. I have no idea what's going on. I think I'm going to have to restart my computer. And where's my desktop? Strange things are happening right now, so I'm going to go ahead and stop. This is at 41 minutes anyway. So, I hope you liked some of those stuff. You know, that's one of my hobbies, modeling stuff, and I'm getting pretty good at it. And I'm looking forward to being able to, I'm looking forward to making a character straight from scratch without using any free models as basis or an add-on. So, I don't know who that's gonna be. Probably my Reitanna character because she's simple. I did have somebody help me out and create a tutorial on how to make it so that, you know, she looks good and stuff. And, yeah, so if you like this video, leave a like, spread the word of awesome, become a Reitannite, and don't forget to click the little bell. And I shall see you later, alligators and crocodiles. Goodbye. What happened to your face?